Hello, hi. I'm Miss Shanna. We're here with another Stories with Miss Shanna. Thanks for joining me today. We will get started with our Hello Friends song, which we sing and sign. We'll run through that twice, so if you don't know it, you can watch the first time and join me the second time through. All right, let's get ready. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. It's time to say hello. Great. Now we're going to do it one more time. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. It's time to say hello. Perfect. Can you wiggle your fingers? Let's get those ready to dance. Dance your fingers up. Dance your fingers down. Dance your fingers to the side and dance them all around. Dance them on your shoulders. Dance them on your head. Dance them on your tummy. And put them all to bed. Lay them right in your lap. Our first story today is Bruce's Big Storm, written and illustrated by Ryan T. Higgins and published by Disney Hyperion. So we thank Disney Publishing for permission to read this story. There is Bruce. Bruce was a bear who did not like neighbors. Neighbors were loud. Vroom, vroom. They were always interrupting. Brownie and pestering. Do you want to play frying pan ball? Worse still, neighbors lived all over Bruce's neighborhood. Hi, neighbor. Do you have any robotic laser cutters I could borrow? Bruce's neighbors were always coming and going, but at least none of them stayed very long, until the day of the big storm. Soggy Hollow's weather today will have rain that is very wet and wind that is very windy. Bruce did not want visitors. He wanted to wait out the storm in peace and quiet. Sorry to be a bother, but can we please stay here during the storm? But not everyone felt that way. Big storms are less scary when you're together. Let's invite everyone to play games in our pajamas. I love pajama parties. We don't even have pajamas. As the rain started to fall and the winds got windier, more and more animals began to arrive. Finally, the whole neighborhood was there. Wait, said Rupert. Someone is still outside. Everyone went to the window to look. Bear. There was a little bunny out in the storm. Someone has to save her, shouted Thistle. I'm on my way, said Nibs as he ran out the door. But the big storm was too much for the mouse, and in his hurry, Nibs got a little carried away. Ah! Oh, look, I can see my house from here. Nib's rescue mission was not going as planned. I'm here to rescue you, but I need help first. It's okay. Swoosh! This is all part of my plan. They needed a little more help. Bruce, you came to save us. You took my favorite umbrella. Maybe we need a new plan. Everyone had to pitch in, and together, they pulled the bunny, the mouse, and the grumpy old bear back to safety, along with the umbrella. It had been quite an adventure. Everyone take one of Bruce's clean towels. Bruce did not like adventures. While the storm raged on outside, Bruce's visitors, cozy and warm, played games to pass the time. Tut tut, Bruce, you're it. Bruce did not like games. Then one last gust arrived, and a great big oak tree crashed, and it didn't knock. Battle stations, bring me a chainsaw. I'm allergic to acorns. They were all okay, but the house was not. I think the roof might have a leak. Still, everyone found a safe, dry corner to spend the night. Come morning, Bruce's house didn't look so great. His chair was okay. Soon Bruce's neighbors went back to their own homes, leaving Bruce behind to grumble in the rumble. But not for long. Tap, 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 tap. Now what? All of Soggy Hollow, every neighbor came back to lend a hand, hoof, paw, or wing to help Bruce rebuild. That was nice. Over time, Bruce's house was put back together, even better than before. We call this addition the Rumpus Room. It's for rumpusing? Yeah. It became a popular place in Soggy Hollow for all the neighbors to gather and have fun. I have 5 old maids. You can't have 5 old maids in poker. I thought we were playing Go Fish. Who's been eating the poker chips? I thought they were crackers. Bruce did not like fun, and he still did not like neighbors. But they sure liked him. You've been elected to be our den mother. The end. Bruce's big storm. You know who else was out in the rain? There were some ants in the rain, weren't there? The ants go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. The little one stops to suck his thumb, and they all go down to the ground in the rain. Boom, 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 boom. The ants go marching 2 by 2, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 2 by 2, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 2 by 2. The little one stops to tie his shoe, and they all go marching down to the ground in the rain. Boom, 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 boom. The ants go marching 3 by 3, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 3 by 3, hurrah, hurrah. The little one stops to ride a bee, boo, and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, 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 boom. The ants go marching 5 by 5, hurrah. Well, 4 by 4. 4 by 4, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 4 by 4. The little one stops to ask for more. They all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, 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 boom. The ants go marching 5 by 5, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 5 by 5, hurrah, hurrah. The little one stops to jump and dive, and they all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, 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 boom. Stop. We have 5 ants. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ants. Excellent. Now we're going to read our next story, which is called Tap, Tap, Boom, Boom. Tap, Tap, Boom, Boom. Written by Elizabeth Bluemle and illustrated by G. Brian Karras. and published by Candlewick Press. So we're reading this with permission from Candlewick today. We're so grateful for the publishers for sharing their stories with us. Tap, tap, dark clouds. Tap, tap, damp air. Tap, tap, cold drops of rain. Dot, air. Streetcars appear. Umbrellas here. Tap, 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 tap. Boom, boom. Tap, 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 tap. Boom, boom. Crackle, boom. Got a storm, big storm in bloom. Here soon. Sky grumbles, rain tumbles. Big weather, you'd better get under umbrella. Boom, boom. That's right, slam, bang. Hold tight to umbrella. Wind whirls, helter skelter. Boom, boom. Tap, 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 tap. Slap feet, shoes flap. Feet wetter, you'd better go down underground where the water can't get ya. You betcha. Now harder, now faster. Big rain side blaster. The subway is shelter. Boom, boom. Downstairs we wait. Folks congregate. We squeeze. Whose feet and knees are these? Hey, hey, watch spray. We get more wet. Tap, 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 tap. Boom, boom. See, big, big fella with tiny umbrella? It's yellow. Tap, tap, boom, boom. One girl all fancy, she's late for dancing. Can't wait, fast dash after the lightning flash. The storm above makes friends of strangers. We laugh under cover at thunder and danger. Tall lady with poodle sees kid, no umbrella. Hands hers, no words, just a smile, as her hello. Two friends descend, huddled close from weather. Wet side, smiles wide, together is better. Storm ending soon, no tap, no boom. Outside clear light, bright afternoon. We race upstairs, shake drops off hair. Look up, we cry. Surprise in the sky. Now people scatter through puddle splatter. We wave goodbye. So long, keep dry. Till the next. Tap, 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 tap. Boom, boom. Till the next. Tap, tap. Boom, boom. The end. Excellent. That's how it rains here, right? A little sprinkle first and then a big downpour, lots of booming, sideways rain. Whoosh. But we need our umbrellas, don't we? Let's move these ants out of our way. We're going to find some umbrellas. Red and blue and green umbrellas. Here we go. Red, green umbrellas. Yellow and orange and brown umbrellas. Black, oh, and pink and white umbrellas. Whirling in a rainstorm. Let's do it one more time. Ready? Red and blue and green umbrellas. Yellow and orange and brown umbrellas. Black and pink and white umbrellas. twirling in the storm. Now we're going to take them off. White and pink and black umbrellas, brown and orange and yellow umbrellas, green and blue and red umbrellas. Now the rain is over. Fantastic. I like it when the rain is over. Sometimes you get that beautiful rainbow like we got in Bruce's big storm. All right, it's time for us to wave goodbye. So can you wave your one hand? Wave with one hand, then with the other. Wave with one hand, then with the other. Wave with one hand, then with the other. Wave with both hands now. Well, thanks for joining me today for story time. I hope I'll see you again soon. Bye.